Welcome back to Product Critique. If you've been on the hunt for the best needle threader tool for sewing, your search ends here. Today, we're diving into the FIVEIZERO Needle Threaders Kit, a versatile, colorful, and compact threading solution that caters to hand sewing, machine threading, embroidery, and more. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this 24-piece kit a game-changer for beginners and pros alike. First off, the FIVEIZERO kit isn't just a random set of threaders. It's a carefully curated collection designed to tackle a wide range of threading needs. You get 24 high-quality threaders, evenly split into 4 types: gourd-shaped, thumb-shaped, aluminum threaders for sewing machines, and petal-shaped threaders. That's 6 of each kind, offering variety and flexibility whether you're working on delicate embroidery or threading through the tiny eye of a hand needle. Let's talk convenience. The kit comes in a clear, compact storage box measuring approximately 9.5 by 6.4 centimeters. Not only does this box keep your threaders safe and organized, but it's also ultra-portable, perfect for keeping in your sewing kit or taking with you to craft classes or on-the-go sewing sessions. No more digging through drawers or losing threaders in the chaos of your workspace. Now let's address durability. The FIVEIZERO threaders are crafted from high-quality plastic and metal materials. These aren't flimsy little wires that bend or snap after a couple of uses. They're wear-resistant, shatterproof, and built to last, making them ideal for both everyday mending and intensive handcraft projects. Whether you're a casual sewer or a serious crafter, these threaders are made to keep up. Using them is a breeze. You simply insert the threader into the needle eye, pass your thread through the loop, and pull the threader back out with the thread in place. Whether you're threading hand needles or setting up your sewing machine, this kit works across the board. And thanks to the different shapes and sizes included, you can always find the right one for the job. This makes the FIVEIZERO kit a perfect companion for everyone, from absolute beginners who struggle with tiny needle eyes to seasoned professionals who want to speed up their setup time. And that thoughtful design and versatility is exactly why this product has earned recognition as an Amazon's Choice item. Beyond the product itself, FIVEIZERO offers reliable brand support. They provide customer service and after-sales assistance, so if you ever run into issues or questions, there's a team ready to help make things right. That peace of mind is always a bonus. In summary, the FIVEIZERO Needle Threaders Kit stands out because of its variety, durability, usability, and portability. It's a simple tool that solves a real problem, especially for those who find threading needles a time-consuming or frustrating task. Whether you sew by hand, use a machine, or do embroidery or cross-stitch, this is one kit you'll be glad to have in your sewing arsenal. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful and want more honest, in-depth looks at smart buys like this one, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Got questions or want to see a demo of this kit in action? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing.